Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a tally calculator. We'll cover the fundamental steps to get you started with tracking your counts effectively. You'll learn how to add new tallies, increment values, and reset them when needed. This tool is perfect for inventory, event attendance, or any situation requiring simple, accurate counting. Let's dive in and make your counting tasks much easier. Once you have your tally calculator open, adding to a count is as simple as tapping the plus button. Each tap increments your total by 1. If you make a mistake or need to reduce a count, just hit the minus button. For a quick reset of any individual tally, simply long press on its display. This makes managing your counts incredibly intuitive and fast. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. Quick recommendation. While you're busy tallying, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleaning. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your home spotless effortlessly. You can find the link to this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Many tally calculators allow you to manage multiple counts simultaneously. You can easily create a new counter for each item or event you're tracking. Giving each tally a clear, descriptive name helps avoid confusion. Furthermore, you can often reorder your tallies, placing the most important ones at the top for quick access. This keeps your workspace tidy and efficient. Beyond basic counting, many tally calculators offer advanced features. You might find options to export your data, perhaps as a CSV file, for further analysis in a spreadsheet. Personalize your experience by adjusting display settings, like changing the theme or sound effects. Some apps even let you group related tallies or archive old ones, keeping your active list clean. These features enhance usability significantly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.